In this video, I show you how to download and install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11. Open your favorite browser, any browser you want. Type here how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows. Open first link. Here is Jupyter Notebook website. Copy this first comment. Before this, you need to install Python. If you have already installed Python, you can install Jupyter Notebook. If you don't have already installed Python, I will share the link of Python installation on the description. First, install Python. On Windows search bar, type cmd, hit enter. Make sure to install Python. Type here Python dash version. Now I have already installed Python 3.12. If you don't have, check the video on the description to install Python. After that, copy this comment. Right click on copy or press Ctrl with C. Just right click here, then hit enter. Make sure to have good internet connection. It will download all the package. Now the installation is complete. Come back to your website. In this step, copy this comment. Jupyter Lab. Type here or paste here, then hit enter. Here ask you with which browser do you want to open. I want to open with Google Chrome. If you want to open always, click on always. If you want to just one time, click on one time. It is better to click here always. Here we have Jupyter Notebook. If you want to create new project, click on Python. Here we have Jupyter Notebook. You can write any code you want. For example, we want to print it is Jupyter. When you click in this run button, you will see here it is Jupyter. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Before closing the video, like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel. Have a good day. See you soon.